Northwest.
All right, let's take a look from the Snoopy Cam, looking northwest across Laguna Madre towards the JFK Causeway, and you can see that traffic just crawling across there eastbound. It's not a real fast commute right now because of that lane closure, but let's go ahead and take a look at what else is going on. Satellite radar loop shows the cloud material out there, but it also shows showers beginning to develop and move into the middle of Rio Grande Plains right now, also back into the hill country. That's going to be an expanding area and working its way eastward as the evening progresses. 62 your low this morning, 76 your high this afternoon. Both these numbers well above normal for this time of the year, and also well above normal. 1.94 inches in the positive there for your precipitation so far this year. Maybe we can add to that in the next 24 hours or so. But for now, it's quite warm over most of the state, 60s, 70s, and even lower 80s. The exception, 52 at Amarillo and back towards El Paso, where some cooler air is working its way in with a Pacific cold front. So here's the scenario. You've got it very warm right now, generally in 60s and 70s, 81 at Falfurrias and 80 at Cotulla right now. But during the overnight hours, we're going to see thunderstorms moving into the area. Still going to be mild, and you're going to see lower 60s, mid 60s, yeah, a little bit cooler to the northwest. And that gusty south wind overnight becomes more southwesterly, and then by late in the day tomorrow becomes more westerly and northwesterly and really picks up speed. As you move on into Sunday, you're going to be looking at some strong winds and much, much drier air behind that Pacific cold front that works its way into the area. So the combination of the dry air, the strong winds, you know the formula. It means elevated fire danger, especially on Sunday. But tomorrow it's looking pretty good out there. You're going to see gradually clearing skies, temperatures in the middle to upper 70s, except along the immediate coastline where you've got lower to middle 70s. In fact, if you're going to the coastal waters, lower 70s tomorrow. Water temperature about 6 degrees cooler than that, and partly cloudy and scattered thunderstorms becoming mostly sunny and windy in the afternoon with that west wind 15 to 25 knots. That'll make for slightly choppy to occasionally choppy bays and 3 to 5 foot seas, and the rip current risk is going to be low. However, small craft advisory is likely to be issued, likely to be upgraded to a gale warning on Sunday. Here's why. You've got that front working its way eastward across the state. Notice the thunderstorms erupting this evening from south central Texas all the way into the Metroplex, and including southeast Texas. The Houston area is going to get hit pretty hard. But around here, most of the energy stays north of us. So we get a few showers. By the time that dry air sweeps in, that's all over with. And notice the winds really picking up on Sunday as that low moves very close, but to the northeast of us. That's going to make for the strong winds across our area. Now here's the upper level disturbance driving that system, and notice it follows the same path right on across east and southeast Texas and on into the deep south. But behind it, high pressure builds in, and by the middle of next week, it's looking really nice around here. How much rain are we actually going to get? It depends on where you are. Our northernmost counties are going to see the most opportunity for rain. It looks like the watershed gets half to an inch and a half. That's good news. And maybe a nice little band of rain over our southern areas here from Falfurrias back towards Kingsville and in southern parts of Nueces County. We'll see how that bears out. Sometimes these models tend to overestimate on certain localities, but we'll see how this is. It's pretty consistent. Slight risk of severe storms from the Edwards Plateau and hill country back into south central Texas. Marginal risk across our area on into southeast Texas, but I think we're on the southernmost end of that potential, so I wouldn't put much stock in that, at least for now. Mostly cloudy, windy, thunderstorms likely, especially in our northern counties overnight tonight. And as you move into the next 7 days, you see the showers come to an end tomorrow morning. And then after that, elevated fire danger with very strong winds Sunday on into Monday. Winds gusting around 50 miles an hour Sunday. And then things quiet down and look really nice by the middle of next week.